Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in an Acura MDX. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and safety glasses. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before starting. Safety is paramount, so wear protective gloves and eye protection to shield yourself from potential battery acid. The battery is usually found under the hood, often on the passenger side, ready for access. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Using your 10mm wrench, always start by loosening and removing the negative terminal cable first. This crucial step prevents accidental short circuits. Once the negative is free, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal cable. After both cables are detached, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. With everything loose, carefully lift the old battery out, remembering its significant weight. With the old battery removed, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure optimal contact. Carefully place the new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal cable first, tightening it firmly with your wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal cable, ensuring it is also snug and secure. This order is vital for proper electrical connection. You're almost done. Double-check all your connections to ensure both positive and negative terminals are tight and secure. Applying a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals will help prevent future corrosion and extend battery life. Now, start your Acura MDX to confirm the new battery is functioning perfectly. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. Never throw it in the trash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.